Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fresh update on how to change your Pinterest username on your PC. Whether you're rebranding or just want a different online identity, we've got you covered with the latest steps. Let's get started. First, head over to Pinterest.com on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should spot a gear icon down there. This is where you'll kickstart the username change. Give that gear icon a click. Clicking this gear icon will take you to the Settings menu. Next, find and click on Settings to adjust your account preferences. This is your hub for customizing your Pinterest experience. Inside the settings, you'll see a range of options. Look for Edit Profile and click on it. This is where you can tweak your public-facing information. Now, you're on the Edit Profile page. Here you'll find the username bar, where your current username is displayed. Click into this bar and carefully type out your new desired username. Remember, it's got to be unique, so if it's already taken, Pinterest will let you know and you'll need to try something else. Once you've entered your new username and confirmed it's available, the final step is to click on Save. This confirms the change and updates your profile with your new username. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest username on PC with the new update. This username is what appears in your Pinterest URL, so it's a key part of your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give us a like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. We're here to help you make the most of your Pinterest experience. Happy pinning, and we'll see you in the next video.